Right, Model Rockets 321 here, back at the launch field. I have the first rocket set up to go. It's the SR-71 Blackbird, dual engine. This is an old project I had, crashed it a couple times, parachute ripped off. But now I have a nylon parachute. This should save it, as long as everything else goes right. It's over here on the pad. We'll take a quick look. Also, we have Steve.
Hey,
Steve's
what's up?
back.
How you guys doing?
Steve's back, and
Ellie's back.
Ellie's back. Got the drone way up there somewhere. Steve got the drone right.
Yep.
Controller right there. It's up somewhere. I don't even see it. It's up there somewhere. But over here we have SR-71 Blackbird. SR-71 Blackbird right here. On the pad, 2 engines, clip whip, ready to go.
Yeah. All right. T-minus 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! What happened? You got hung up? Hopefully a parachute still comes out. That was a long delay. It would have worked too.
Yeah.
I still got 2 engines.
Yeah.
As long as nothing's broke.
What was it?
One engine didn't fire. Maybe. Did that fire?
It looked like only one fire.
Yeah. See how I'll push back up because of the sensors? So you keep pulling down and then do it.
Nice.
Oh man. So here we have the SR-71 Blackbird with the dual engines, Project X. So I only got one igniter lit, one motor lit. The igniter did go, but I think it just pulled out. I was using this black tape that I had. It's a colder day, so I think when I hooked on the clip whip, the thing used to ignite both motors, one of them probably pulled out a little bit and it didn't light that motor. But overall the project's still good. I'm gonna fix it up because here, this part right here had blown off before years ago. So I'm gonna have to revisit this. It's gonna take a lot of, I'm gonna have to seal this a lot better because it blew out, but the motor, it did work. This popped out, parachute would have came out, but it was all on the ground when it took place. So I'm gonna fix this again. I'm still working on this project and I will get it right. It showed me that the gases will travel, which I already knew, and push this out. And it got the Kevlar parts on here and this elastic pieces here, and the parachute it did shoot out was on the ground. So I'm gonna revisit this. All right, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! Nice. 5 seconds. Parachute.
Boom.
Yay. That's gonna be a long walk.
Yep.
Oh man, that thing's drifting. All right, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! Nice. 5 seconds. Parachute.
Boom.
Yay. That's gonna be a long walk.
Yep.
All right. All ready?
Back up a little bit.
Yep.
Ready?
Going in 3, 2, 1. Hey, that's the way you do it. As long as that parachute comes out, that's really the way you do it. Boom. Nice. Separation.
Woo!
Oh, something separated.
Yeah, it did.
That was a big old pop. At least it's kind of flurrying around.
It's floating down nicely.
Yeah. Y'all start walking. Oh, nosedive. Boom.
Bids are good.
Hey, get a picture of that, Steve.
Yeah.
No. Oh! I'm going to see that. Oh.
At least the pin didn't break off.
I'm going to go see the outside.
So, just had a flight of the Dolphin, the French sounding rocket, and look at that, got a nice core sample. Got a separation, the engine mount came loose, it shot all the way through. I've flown this rocket several times without issues, but that black powder was pretty strong. It ejected, but it shot the motor mount tube all the way out. Collected a core sample here. and as you can see, the motor mount is missing the tube. So and I used epoxy. That was strong glue I used on this thing. And it just pulled it right all the way through. Parachute, everything else is fine. A little bit of damage, small amount of damage. At least it was soft soil. We just had rain here in Arizona, so this will be fixed. Everybody ready?
Yep.
On in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Nice.
Hey, a little parachute, a little fun.
Nice. That's gonna be closest to the pad, my
Yeah,
friend.
go in there,
Get the award for that one.
Yeah, one.
Oh,
Yeah.
so close.
Yeah, that whole footage should be in there. Is that battery?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
I'm
go
sending
ahead
it
and
home.
return to home if you can.
Yep, that's what I did.
Yeah, you got it.
That was a great one.
All right, Model Rockets 321 here. We're closing out. Pretty good day launching. Some interesting flights. Had Mars lander went great. Where'd that little? I'll show you this.
Yeah,
This little guy, yeah. This little mini Mars lander. If you see one of these, you should pick one up. They're on eBay. I see them around once in a while. Went pretty good, right, Ellie?
Yeah.
Mars lander was good. Steve's still
That was
here
a lot
with
of
us.
fun. I love it.
Yeah, another good launch. Black Brant went great. The Dolphin had some separation. You saw it earlier. Got a core sample out of the ground. Because that's what I came here for. I came
Yes,
to,
sir.
I came to check this soil. I can't check that soil. All right. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Be back with another one.
Model Rockets 321, #1.
Yep.